Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be potting these beautiful plants that I just received in the mail from Elizabeth on Facebook from Succulent Market USA. So, and of course an airplane is going by. So I want to use a terracotta pot for my beautiful Echeveria just to give her 100% chance of success. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to stick to terracotta with her, and I'm going to pot her up. I think she's got some California dirt. You can see the difference in that dirt. Very sandy, I guess, like a reddish sandy dirt. So I just have the cactus mix that I always use from Miracle Grow because that's what I normally can find. And I'm going to leave the old leaves just to protect the other leaves that are there. And I'm just going to... Oh, and I mixed perlite in it because I don't have pumice. Like, I can't just go buy pumice. I can order it online. I just haven't done it yet. So... I just haven't done it yet. That's it. So this one is pretty simple. And that's it. And I think I'm gonna water this too. I'm gonna give it a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna put her in my greenhouse, and hopefully she does well. And I gave her a nice big pot so that she can produce babies to encourage some growth. So that's gonna go here. And now for this beautiful Aeonium. Beautiful Aeonium. Let me see if this will work here first. Yep, this is working. This is just, you know, the thing you use to suck out babies' boogers. That's what that is. I'm not sure. So, correct me if I'm wrong. I think Aeoniums right now are dormant, so I don't know if you water. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can water a little bit. It just can't be too much water. Okay, so I don't know, maybe spray the leaves a little bit to clean it up. I'm not sure. I'm very unsure. So this is the pot that I chose. My husband just found this pot in the trash, and he posted a video about it. I spoke about his channel today, and let you guys know that he has a channel, and he used to do videos, and then he slowed down, so now he's starting to pick back up and starting to do them. So his channel is a little bit, you know, about random stuff that we do, and also about things that he finds that people throw out. So yeah, I like this pot. It's very pretty. So now I made some drainage. Somebody on Instagram had asked me to make a video on how I do the drainage. I mean, I've showed it before. I use a grinder, and it's really quick, and it doesn't hurt my hand, because normally in the past these thicker pots or different materials are much more difficult than others. So my husband gave me the idea to start using the grinder. So I'm like, okay, and I did it, and once I did that, I just didn't want to stop using it, even though it's a line, and maybe people, because you're not used to that, you're used to seeing a perfect circle, but I don't mind it. It's in the bottom, so I really don't care. So I'm just filling this up, and then I'm going to do a nice deep hole in the middle, like that, and then set her in, and then push it in. Such a beautiful Aeonium. When she posted this, I begged her, like, please, I want one, because so many people want it, you know. So thankfully she had a few more. I think this one is smaller than the one that I shared the link with you guys. Imagine this one is smaller. So can you imagine the other one? I think the other one had more heads, but this one already has like so many babies. So yeah. This Aeonium is so pretty. So, I'm just pushing the dirt like this around it. And then I'm just going to And now I have to just fill it in with more dirt. Hope you guys enjoyed your Saturday. Gonna have to make some room for this beautiful lady in my greenhouse. They're gonna be so jealous. The other plants, they're gonna be like, who's that lady? Just kidding. Okay. So pretty. Okay. That was all set. Good to go. There's one more. Yes, I have another pot for the other one. Another pot that somebody threw out. Pretty sure this probably had like an orchid in it or something. Very nice pot. I just also made some drainage on it. This is for my other beautiful Aeonium. Oh, I just want to thank everyone because I noticed that my husband got some new subscribers and people were watching and commenting on his video. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are too kind. He was like, nobody's gonna, he didn't think that you guys would be interested. He's like, they are interested in plants only. I'm like, listen. I'm like, they're gonna watch your channel. I'm like, they're gonna go check you out. I'm like, don't you worry. And he's like, okay. And you guys sure did. Oh my gosh, this thing's so pretty. I didn't unwrap it all the way yet. She did such a great job wrapping it too. Like this one was pretty clean. Where's a little... Look at how beautiful that is. If you guys have Aeonium and you had lots of success with it, I mean you've had them for a long time, go ahead and give me some care tips. This is where you guys come in. This is where you guys need to tell me because I am pretty new to Aeoniums. I've never had them before. So I want to know what you guys think. And also, I'll be getting some sempervivums in. I don't know what kind because I ordered the mystery ones. So also, if you guys have any care tips for those, I would also appreciate it very much. So pretty. I could have put them together, but I didn't want to. I don't know. Should I put them together? Give them some space, right? Because they have pretty nice sized roots. Okay, so here's this one. Here's that one. And the Echeveria. Let me, I'm going to dress these two up, but I'm not going to dress up the, I'm not going to dress up the imbricata just so that, I don't know, sometimes I wonder if rocks get in the way of, you know, babies growing, so I tend to avoid the rocks on the imbricata. All set, potting these up. I gave them a little bit of water just because of their trip, and I'm gonna Google online about the Aeoniums, like when I should water them, and I also watered the Echeveria imbricata. They do say for the leaves not to touch, but since it's the older leaves that are touching the dirt, I'm okay with that. So I think that the other leaves should be fine. So here they are, so pretty. So pretty. So here are the Aeoniums. Right there. So beautiful. I'm trying to figure out how to make more space in here so that everything fits. And then I have the imbricata right here. So this is my new imbricata, and then these are the ones that I got a few weeks ago. And then someone told me on YouTube that they believe that this was mislabeled, that it's not a Galaxy, that it is a imbricata, but I mean, could be, I'm not sure. If it is an imbricata, I'll be happy. But the leaves do look different, and the color, so I don't know. Even these look slightly different, but I mean, these are rooted, and this one is rooted, more mature, and it's probably been, you know, in the sun. So yep, that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and hit the bell if you haven't yet, so that you can get reminded when I upload. And that's it, guys. Have a blessed day.